guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, today I'm sharing with you chia seeds face mask. This is an anti-aging face mask. Chia seeds has omega-3 fatty acids and lots of antioxidant. Omega-3 fatty acid is very important for your skin. This delays aging and this brightens your skin. I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, do hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So guys, let's begin with this video. To make this mask, you will need chia seeds. You can get chia seeds easily in any store. You will need 2 teaspoons of chia seeds, and you will need milk. We will soak these chia seeds for 1 hour. When you soak these chia seeds, the goodness becomes triple. Chia seeds is loaded with antioxidant omega-3 fatty acids, reduces acne, dark spots, fights aging, hydrates and moisturizes the skin, repairs damaged skin cells. Now we will grind this in the mixer. I have grinded this and it's become very sticky. So now we are going to apply this chia seeds face mask. As you can see, it's very sticky and very slimy because of its properties. Apply this in your full face. Apply this mask at least once a week for the best results. This will lighten and brighten your skin and it'll give that beautiful glow to your skin. We'll keep this mask for 15 to 20 minutes. Now with the back of the spoon, we'll remove this mask. Wow, this mask removes so easily with a spoon and I'm just loving doing it. So guys, I washed my face and I'm impressed with the results. It made my skin so soft, so smooth, and it's given that instant glow, and I'm a big fan of this mask. Do try this face mask. You're just going to love it and your skin is just going to glow. This is my guarantee to you guys. So guys, this was my video for today. I hope you like this video, and if you do hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, bye guys. Love you all.